Hey, this is Eric.
This is Guy, and we're Gears with Guy.
And we're back with you today to get this engine in the Jeep. And we'll see how it goes.
Yep.
Alright, as you can see, we just got a few more things to do. Get the flywheel and clutch in to get the engine in. You can see we took the front clip, front grille and bumper and all that off just to make it a little bit easier for us, a little bit more access. We'll see if we can't get any decent video of that going in and try to time lapse something for you guys or something along that lines. Until then, what do you think, Guy? You having fun with us?
I don't know.
So as you can see, we got it in. We got a little bit of video of going it in and then just having some issues. Guys in there taking a break at the moment. We got the next little helper out here. Say hi, Jenny. Say hi. Say hi. So it's all in, it's mounted up. All the motor mounts are tight. It's gonna start working on buttoning everything else up. And get some fresh gas, get it in there, and get it started up, hopefully here soon. Hopefully Guy comes out here in a minute. Until then, get the camera set up and just kind of continue working. Thanks for watching, guys. see, we got the engine in. Got a few things on. What do you think, Guy?
Yeah, I'm excited.
We're gonna get cleaned up for tonight. Get that one drug back in, clean up our mess, and probably take showers. And we're gonna go out to dinner with Mom and sisters, and just enjoy the rest of our Sunday. We'll be back with you guys in a day or two to get this wrapped up.